How to use SafePal Cross-Chain Bridge. Are you guys facing issues to use SafePal Cross-Chain Bridge? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To use the Cross-Chain Bridge on SafePal, open the SafePal app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, tap on swap icon, which is located at the bottom of the screen. At the top, select the Cross-Chain tab. Now, choose the token you want to bridge. For example, USDT from one network like Ethereum to another in the network like BNB Smart Chain. Enter the amount and SafePal will show you the estimated value you will receive along with the cross-chain fee. Tap Next, review the transaction details carefully, and then tap Confirm. You will be asked to approve the transaction and pay gas fees on the original network. Once confirmed, the bridging process will begin and network will appear on the network in few minutes. Cross-chain lets you move assets from blockchains without needing third-party tools. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos in this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to use SafePal Cross-Chain Bridge. Bye bye.